lot of these customers have started out as scientists writing their ideas on a napkin. And so now they're in commercial manufacturing. And so it's come a long way. It takes years to get to that point. In essence, these are like their babies, and they want to make sure that those babies are taken care of.
What we do is complex. What we do has challenges, but we're going to relentlessly pursue opportunities to overcome those challenges and to meet clients' needs, but more importantly, meet the needs of the patients they're trying to serve as well.
Here at Curia, we make sterile injectable pharmaceuticals, and we produce them in either vials or syringes.
It starts in compounding, where we have stainless steel or disposable vessels up to 1,250 liters. After that, it gets sterile filter to get any of the bacteria that might be in it out before it goes to the vial line.
We will then transfer that solution to filling pumps and needles.
8-head rolling diaphragm pumps that fill simultaneously as the vials come through. The filling pumps come down, actually fill the solution into the vial, and then the vials proceed down the conveyor to the next station.
We manufacture liquid finished products or finished products that have been lyophilized or freeze-dried.
We have two 40 square meter lyophilizers and then a 30 square meter lyophilizer.
And then a stopper is placed onto the vial. A seal, an overseal, is placed onto the vial.
We can run from anywhere from 2 cc to 100 cc vials. Both come with a vial washer and a depyrogenation tunnel. We do have a wide variety of handling capabilities, all the way from non-potent to potent, and also controlled substance capabilities.
We manufacture batches from 4,800 units all the way up to 58,000 units, depending on the client's requirements for their batch.
For the vaccine, we were able to produce upwards of 80 to 90,000 per batch. So we have the ability in a short period of time, to produce up towards 1 million doses if need be.
So the pre-filled syringe line is FDA approved. So at this point, we're taking new customers that are looking at going into the pre-filled syringe line. We have a RABS system, so we don't have to have that interaction with the product. We download the recipes, and once that is done, we basically just hit start and it goes from there.
The syringes come in sterile to the PFS line. The machine itself actually pulls the cover off of the tub of syringes. The product comes in sterile, fills the syringes. They get a plunger, which is similar to a stopper. It just closes up the syringe and keeps the solution sterile inside, and then they go to inspection.
We're currently running at 76,000 syringes that would be per batch.
We can run anywhere from 1 ml long to 10 ml syringes.
Technical operations is hands-on throughout the entire process, up through process validation and usually the first commercial run as well.
We are there step by step with the manufacturing team, ensuring that the instructions are clear, the processes are well-defined.
So it's truly a physical handoff with the operations team, watching them, guiding them, teaching them, how do you make this specific product or use this specific equipment. We're right there during the engineering batch, morning, night, weekends, weekdays, whenever, to make sure that we are personally observing and helping them understand how are we going to make this product successfully.
We have a full gamut of resources that support everything from the program management up front to the technical development of the operation, from a formulation perspective to a fill finish perspective. We have the packaging, serialization, and auto-visual inspection. And we have teams that can do the analytical testing. We have a full-scale chemistry lab, full-scale micro lab. We have the ability to do the sterility test here.
For the chemistry department, we do testing of the raw materials. We support production within process testing during their manufacturing campaigns. We do test the finished product as well. And then we are also involved when we bring new products on site. And we also support cleaning verifications. Our primary instrument that we use is HPLC. We do gas chromatography, mass spec, which we do for raw material testing and identification, UV spectrophotometry, IR, total organic carbon for daily water testing, pH, osmolality, density. Water is very important because water is kind of one of the primary components for injectables. So we do test every day. So it's one of our primary responsibilities to ensure that, the water that's being used for the drug manufacturing is of high quality.
What we do makes a difference, and it's very rewarding to be able to pull a team together, to work together with the client, with our internal team, with our global technical team, work through complexities that may seem pretty insurmountable up front, and we're able to overcome them and deliver a product that meets the grade and supports life and supports a patient that's in need. I think that's exciting to me. That's rewarding to me. That makes me feel good. That's what drives me. That's why I love what I do here at Curia, because we make a difference.